Welcome to American Baker in Germany. I'm Michelle, and today we are continuing our series on how to dress up a sheet cake, and this time it's for New Year's Eve. Let's get started.
I started out coloring my buttercream black. This is vegan American buttercream, which takes color very well. I added black gel food coloring and just kept adding more until I was happy with the color. Then I frosted my cake dummy with the black buttercream. It's a bit harder to frost a white cake dummy with black buttercream because it's easy to see the white through the buttercream, so it took some time to frost. Then I pressed a round cake pan into the cake to get the round form I wanted. I traced the circle with white buttercream in a piping bag with a small round tip. Then I piped on the Roman numerals of the clock face. Then I piped hands pointing to 12 midnight. I piped a star onto the corners. These are meant to look like fireworks. Then I piped fireworks onto the side of the cake and extended the corner fireworks onto every corner. This took some time, so I'll speed up the footage a bit. The rest of the decorations came from sprinkles. I used gold and silver, round and star-shaped sprinkles. I started out placing some gold stars all around the cake. Then I placed white and gold sugar pearls at the end of each firework. I put a bit of white sanding sugar on the top of the cake, but it did not want to stick, so I kept it only on the top. Then I placed some silver dragées between the ends of the fireworks to mimic an exploding motion. How fun is this cake? I love clocks, and I think the fireworks really work. Explosions of celebration. Happy New Year! For more cakes and tutorials, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram.